The staff were incredibly helpful, from carrying bags, to bringing us a sewing kit and finding taxis. They were also very polite. The swimming pool area was great, and hardly used, so it felt like a private pool. Breakfast was a good selection of global foods. It was handy to have a washing machine.
Clean. No bad smell whatsoever. Well maintained. Extremely friendly staff. Good breakfast with fresh omelette/half-fried eggs made upon order. My 2-bedroom apartment was spacious, clean, with a
The
kitchenette and
reception
washing.
staff were very friendly and efficient. We got a free upgrade, which was a bonus. Lovely apartment and facilities. Bed very comfy and pillows. Good soundproofing against building noise.
Construction on both sides of the building. Noisy neighbors, easy to hear the hallway, next door neighbors and the loud cars. The breakfast is good for a short-term stay. The variety needs attention, has the same selections each day.
Breakfast could be a little better. When we asked, as we wanted to go for a swim at Al Jumeirah, if we could borrow 1 or 2 towels for the day, we had a no answer. I think many people would have taken the towels from the room anyway.
Disappointed with the in-house travel agent. The brochure and comments on the desert safari were misleading and inaccurate.